minute since I've made a video. There's a reason for that. Very good reason. I really haven't had a whole lot of time to work with the lawn, but there's a reason, and I'll show you guys right now. And here is the reason. Finally got a fence in the backyard. This was the whole reason why I really haven't been able to make too many videos lately. I've had guys in the backyard working for about the last at least week or so. So they finally got the fence set up, which is good. Kind of get to hide from neighbors and stuff and not be disturbed while I'm messing with the lawn. So yeah, this is the biggest reason why I haven't made too many videos. But the biggest reason that I'm back is because I am actually gonna get some perennial ryegrass growing in the back.